Good morning, Hayward Allen Toyota customers. My name is Jeff, and I work in the parts department here at Hayward Allen Toyota. I wanted to take a moment to talk to you about a maintenance item you may not think about very often, and that is the fuel cap on your Toyota or Lexus. Fuel caps over time can get old and get wear on them and need to be replaced. Sometimes this will cause a check engine light to appear on your instrument panel. And fear not, it's a simple replacement. We stock most of the fuel caps for your new Toyota or Lexus in the dealership. And it's a simple replacement as well. And I'd like to take a moment to show you. We're going to use this Toyota Tacoma as an example, but they're similar on most Toyotas and Lexuses. This particular example we're looking at today is a Toyota Tacoma, and you'll find that the fuel cap is retained to the fuel door with a little retainer snap. Very simply taken care of. The snap just used to hold the fuel door very gently and pop the snap out of the fuel door right here, and then just remove the gas cap. You'll also notice that this vehicle is rated for E85 gasoline, and the cap is marked appropriately. So to install the cap, you just do as you would always do. Screw the cap on until it goes click, and then right down here you will locate the snap and snap it in. And it's as simple as that. We stock, again, most fuel caps for your Toyota or Lexus application. Feel free to come by and visit us here at Hayward Allen Toyota. Thank you.